Okay, now that I got my hair nice and straight, I am going to show you a couple more products I just got. One is I got this Hot Tools professional barrel, tapered barrel. It's like 3/4 of an inch to 1 1/4 inch tapered barrel. It doesn't have the clippy thing, so it's like does like the spiral kind of curls, which I think are cool. They look, I don't know, I like the look. You can make them like look wavy. Anywho, so I got this, which it came with a glove, which I'm like kind of scared. I don't know about. I'm not a stylist, so I don't know why this is here. It's just like a little nylon glove. I'm not going to use it. There's probably something in the directions about why you need this, but that's like a thing. I don't want to read the directions. So I also just bought on Amazon hair extensions. I'm so impressed. I gave them a really good review. It's by Sunny Hair. Obviously real hair. I got the platinum blonde. Bruh, this is 24-inch hair, which the longest I ever had before was 18. But my hair is already like at least 18 inches now, and it's pretty thick. Actually, I had my stylist thin it out quite a bit, so I didn't really need volume. So if I wanted more length, like I was thinking like, you know, like Ariel, like I was going for like that Disney princess look. I needed the super long 24-inch. So I didn't know how this was gonna work, but I actually really like it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I put my extensions in. They're clip-in, so easy. Literally anyone can do it. And then I'm gonna curl them with my new Hot Tools professional tapered barrel here. This also goes to 450 degrees. So yeah, that wouldn't be good if you touched it. So same thing. I'll kind of show you the hair. I've already worn it a couple times, so it's not like nice and neat like how it comes in the packaging. I actually already put purple shampoo on it because I wanted it to match my hair. When I got it, it was more golden, and my hair is like the more platinum white because I used the purple shampoo. So I put purple shampoo on it, and actually I wore it wavy last time I wore it, so you can see it's kind of poofy, but it'll be fine when I curl it. I don't think you'll be able to tell. So it comes in different sizes or lengths with these little clips. You just clip it in. It's so easy. So I'll show you guys how I do it here. So same thing. I take
Shall we begin?
Up like that, just to get out of your way.
Let's begin now.
And then basically try to find a piece that kind of is the right size. I've been using this 3-clip piece at the very bottom. It's about right. And I can't get what I'm doing, but I'll show you what I'm doing. Can you see? Put it in.
Let's begin now.
I mean, that was so easy, right?
This is not a drill.
Repeat, this is not a drill. Is that all you got?
Let's begin now.
Okay. And then for this one, I probably put it up here. See, this is my actual hair. Lengthwise. I don't think you can tell the texture or color at this point.
Oh, for sure.
Here's like a little one. There's one that's just one clip. And actually, I feel it actually, there's directions of where you're supposed to put them. I just do whatever I want. And this is what I do. But you can YouTube. There's like specific ways you can do it. Okay. All right, last one. So the piece that when you go on the top part, you want to make sure you leave enough hair on top that's going to cover the clips or the tracks. You do not want to have your tracks showing. It's not a good look. So make sure you have enough here. But on the other hand, you don't want to have too much hair because then it's going to be, actually it's hard to tell right now with my hair this straight, but if you have a lot of your own hair and then super long, it's not blended, you're going to have like short then long, and it looks, I feel like it looks obvious that you have extensions in, which, not that I care if people know I have extensions in, obviously I'm putting it on the internet, but you know, that's not the point. You want them to be like blended in and look nice. I don't know why I don't rock this look, because I feel like this is a look, right? So I have 2 little pieces and 1 big piece left. This is a three clip piece. It's kind of right at the crown, which I know people like a lot of volume at the crown. Just be careful, like I said, because it's hard to cover it there, because that's, I mean, your hair, it's hard to cover it there, so you're better off trying to get volume out of your own hair, like by teasing it or using a product like Root Boost or something like that. I think that's what it's called. Alright, so I have 2 more 2 clippers for the sides. I mean, this video is 13 minutes long. I could have done this in 2 minutes. I'm probably talking too much. It's honestly so easy. And again, don't put it too close to your face, to the front, because then the clips will show. So I'm gonna move it and make them like kind of tight, like you don't want it to be loose between, because then it'll sag and be noticeable, whatever. Okay, so make sure all your clips are covered. You can do a side part, but I mean, I kind of did them even. Okay, so I got my real hair straightened, got my Sunny hair extensions in from Amazon. Now I'm gonna try out this bad boy, Hot Tools, but without the random Michael Jackson glove they gave me. So, same move if you haven't learned. I start from the bottom and work my way up. I'm gonna put some hairspray. This is just random Tresemme cheap hairspray throughout, just to kind of help it hold its curl. I always flip it upside down and curl it because I want to try to get to the roots and make it kind of, I want my hair to be big, I guess. I don't know. That's just what I did. Okay. And now, whatever. You got your product on there. You can hold a curl. I don't like doing it as I go because it's, I don't know, annoying. I think just because I've been recording for so long and I'm getting annoyed, I'm gonna probably do kind of bigger pieces. So it'll probably make more of like a big wave as opposed to like a tight curl. Oh, that's so much now with the extensions in. Holy moly. So like my hair weighs like 30 pounds. Ugh. Alright, so if you haven't used one of these guys, there's no like thingy, there's no clamp. There's nothing you can touch on here. It's just a barrel. It is a little bit harder to use, but it gives a different kind of curl because as you're wrapping it around, so when you use a normal curling iron, you're holding the end and it's just wrapping it like this. But when you're holding your hair and wrapping it, it makes like a spiral, and you're sort of twisting it as you go, so it makes a different curl. I don't know the science behind it, okay? I'm not a stylist. But I will tell you, this is what I do. I always, I wrap it away, I wrap it around the barrel away from my face. So on this side, I'm going like counterclockwise. And on this side, I'm going clockwise. And in addition to that, I always start by giving it a little twist the opposite way that I'm wrapping it, if that makes sense. So I'm going to start with this piece. So I like to put my extensions in first, and as I curl it, I want to do a piece that has my own hair and the extensions, because then you're kind of blending them all together. So this is a piece. So since I'm wrapping it away from my face, I'm going to give it a little twist toward my face, okay? And I start at the top, and I don't know if you can tell, see how the hair is kind of twisting as I wrap it? Some people like to leave the end straight. It's a pretty look. I'm just going to pretty much go to the end. You could give it a spray here if you wanted to, but I don't want to gunk up my curling iron, so I'm just going to stick with this. All right, let's see what it gives us here. Come on. Oh, it's pretty. I like it. All right, so this is gonna take a while. We gotta do all the rest now. Probably gonna go to a fast forward mode right now. Okay, now you probably already know this, but before you do anything to your curls, make sure they completely cool. Because if you start messing with them while they're still warm, like these are, you're gonna ruin them. So let your curls completely cool. Then if you want to, if you like this very structured, refined curl, just leave it. But I'm not structured or refined type of girl. So I always kind of separate the curls. Oh, this is such a pretty, I love this curling iron. Now, I don't know if you noticed at the front, especially, I didn't start the curl till like down here, so the curl wouldn't be starting up at my root, but you can make an effort if you wanted to, if you wanted the curl to start at the root You probably wouldn't want a tapered barrel because the idea is that the curl is larger at the top and smaller at the bottom, which is the look I was going for. So if you wanted your curl to be tight all the way, or like the same size, you would not use a tapered barrel. If you really wanted to poof it up a little bit, you could use a brush on it. It's gonna make it a little more like poofy, which, I mean, I'm good with. See how the curls aren't like as refined. It's more of a poofy curl. I mean, come on. Right? From here you could style it however you want. I mean, of course the side part, middle part is fine. I feel like I like to kind of brush the ends out because it almost looks too perfect.
Shall we begin?
You don't. Sometimes I'll kind of pin it up. If you're having problems with like your clips showing, I don't know where any, oh, here's one. You can just take like bobby pins, and sometimes I'll, like if I'm gonna be on the motorcycle or something and my hair's gonna get messed up, like, you know, these clips, I'll just take like my real hair and kind of do a little like pin it in. So now you don't have to worry about like your the clip showing. You can do that on both sides. So that's it. Let me know if you're gonna try any of this. If you're gonna try extensions or this guy or this method for curling your hair. I would love to know what you think and if it was easy or hard or if this helped you.